What you doing, Zachary? What you doing? Okay, yeah, you may get the other one? What happened to the stuff in the trash can? What happened? Okay, I'll get the other one, Zachary. I'll get the other one. Are you going to put that, you want to help you put that one up, or are you going to tip it up? Okay, you got it? Okay, do you want to get the other one, or you want me to get it? I'll get it.
I'll get it.
No, leave that one here. We'll go get the other one. Good job, buddy. What happened to the trash?
Wednesday.
What's today?
Wednesday.
What happens on Wednesday? Garbage truck. The garbage truck comes on Wednesday? What happens on Tuesday? What happens on Tuesday, big boy? Oh, there's one of your balls, yeah. Hey, what happens on Tuesday?
My school.
Go to school?
Yes.
What happens on Thursday?
The one.
What happens on Thursday?
The one.